Hi, my name is Ruchikesh Sirsagar. I'm from Nasik, Maharashtra. Few months back, I joined Evision's on-job training program of 45 days. In that, I learned about networking, CCNA, ITIL, then cybersecurity, Windows Server, related skills I have acquired. After completing my 45 days program, I received a call from various companies. Then recently, I got placed at one of the company called Polestar Consulting Private Limited as a technical support engineer, and I received a package of 2.76 LPA. Then whoever is listening and who starts to start want to start their career in IT, I would suggest them they can join the Evision TechnoServes OJT program of 45 days and learn the skills and get placed and start their career in IT. Thank you.